Alright, this example is a little trickier, so we're going to walk you through it. Alright, so you'll notice we have two triangles here, and in this case we have to fully describe the single transformation from our original triangle, the blue one, to its image here. Now, the way I went about doing this, there are a number of different ways you could get here. Here's what I did. I looked at the 2 points that I knew were had actually been rotated. Because C here, C could either be this, could be this, I don't really know yet. So, but I do know B is. So when I'm looking at B, I look at these 2 points. I'm thinking, there are a couple approaches I took here. I said it could have either gone like this, or it could have gone like that. I'll use a different color for this. Could have either gone like this, or it could have gone like this. So either way, I'm looking at a 90-degree rotation, but I gotta figure out which way this could go. So I'm thinking my rotation point could have either been right here or right here. Now, this is what gave it away for me. Now, I started looking, and I noticed that right here, that point right up here in the corner, I'm going to use a little less thick here, excuse me. So if I look at this point right here in the corner, right, I go down and over, I get a nice 90-degree angle from my origin point here. That's pretty cool. I also noticed I'd be going in that direction, much like over here, which went in that direction. So I think I'm on to something here. So everything seems to be going in this direction. So then I just have this point left right here. Now if this is related to the 2 points I just highlighted, see? Watch what happens. Nice 90-degree angle, just like that. Boom. So, I know that I did a 90-degree, I'm just trying to right here, 90-degree clockwise rotation. And from that point I identified here, which happens to be, looks like I'm -1, -1. So again, this isn't easy. It really isn't. Sometimes it takes people a little while to get the hang of this. But half the battle is just trying to identify 2 points you know rotated, and then trying to find a point where they could have rotated from. And then seeing if that point works for these other points. And in this case, as you can see, it works for me. It's like here, this worked for me too. I got my perpendicular lines and 90-degree angles. Some people can visualize this pretty easily. Some people like to do it algebraically. That's the way I got there. So, didn't mean to erase that. Hopefully this helps you, and in the future, if you see problems like this, what I would just recommend is look for 2 points you absolutely know were rotated. And then just try to identify, how could I get there? Try those different rotation origin points, or rotation center points, excuse me, and then see if they work for the other ones. Hopefully this helps.